but it wasn't because Mostert wasn't giving it a huge go. But it's an impressive and incredible performance by Van Gisbergen for a double shot today. Winner of race 26 and 27, the Kiwi Van Gisbergen gets it home from Chaz Mostert. And Jamie Whincup home in third position, followed by Jason Bright, then Will Davison, James Moffat, Fabian Coulthard, James Courtney, Rick Kelly and Russell Ingall. What a job by Shane Van Gisbergen, the very first time that he's put back-to-back wins together. And a little team punching above its weight. And you can actually see the shift lights that were all illuminated like a Christmas tree on the steering wheel then as he went berserk over the top of the hill between 3 and 4.
They're both turning it on now. This is fantastic car control from these two young guys.
He wanders back to New Zealand to do a bit of drifting here and there, and I reckon in these conditions it serves him very well. And Chaz Mostert emulating.
There's Whincup in the background. It's like an expression session.
Full freestyle. Freestyle V8 supercar. So Van Gisbergen survives. A little mid-race scare. A scare also for Whincup. And a charging drive from Chaz Mostert. Very impressive.
Jason Bright's looking at these three lunatics saying, gee, boys, I thought we were all sideways enough without having to do all that. Look at that.
Remember that as we see synchronised sliding, remember that Mostert qualified 11th to get into that position at the end of the race, to get on the podium. Very impressive performance.
And it pushed Whincup back a spot at the pointy end of this race, which is, at the end of the day, Neil, they're big moments in the championship because if you look at how sideways Whincup is.
That was important, that little radio message about they need tyres for tomorrow. I wouldn't be torturing them too much at the moment. They've got to try and make the best of their 12 wets.